In today's video, I'll show you how to limit appointments per day in Acuity Scheduling step by step. If you want to control your workload and avoid overbooking, setting daily limits is very important. First, log in to your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Availability section from the left side menu. This is where your scheduling rules are managed. Now select the calendar or staff member you want to edit if you have multiple schedules. Next, look for the option called Scheduling Limits or Availability Limits. Here you can control how many appointments you allow per day. Set your maximum number of appointments for each day based on your workload. For example, you might allow 5, 10, or 15 bookings per day depending on your capacity. You can also apply limits per appointment type if you want more control. For example, you might allow only a few high-value sessions per day. After setting your limits, click Save Settings to apply the changes. Now, Acuity will automatically stop accepting bookings once your daily limit is reached. To confirm everything is working, preview your booking page and try simulating multiple bookings on the same day. If your schedule changes later, you can always come back and adjust the limits or remove them completely. This feature is especially useful for preventing burnout and keeping your schedule balanced. And that's it. You've successfully limited appointments per day in Acuity Scheduling and optimized your booking flow. And that's how you limit appointments per day in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.